Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace car battery on a Dodge Dart guys. So that's what we'll be doing. We will replace battery here guys. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos guys on that car and that engine alone. Make sure you stay with us guys. I'm going to show you the engine in pieces on another Dodge Dart, so we'll show you guys how to fix almost anything on this car. If you have one, subscribe guys and like the video. Quite a bit of helpful information will be shared on the channel. Our mission is to save you just as much money guys as we can. So let us show you guys okay what we have here. Let me just get you to the other one quick, okay, to show you. This is Dodge Dart as well. Okay, right here, and check this engine out in pieces guys. Timing chains, cylinder heads, all that will be removed soon guys. So check out the channel, we have quite a bit of helpful information. Now let's go back and I'll show you guys what we need to do to replace the car battery. You need to open the hood of your Dodge Dart. Next we're going to go to the front. Here we open the hood, and right here guys you have your car battery. Okay, you can see right here. So it's very important how you disconnect the car battery and how you connect it. When you disconnect your car battery, you need to remove the negative post first guys. Just get it loose a little bit. Careful not to drop that nut because you will lose it. Get it nut loose a little bit and you can pull it out. Always use gloves when you work with the car battery. Why? Because you can guys get acid on your fingers and burn your skin, so that's very dangerous. Now right here guys, okay, we have that. You can see nut for the positive. We're going to go ahead and remove that one. Now you grab the whole assembly with the fuse box on top and we remove it. After that, now guys, what do we do? Okay, we have one hidden bolt that holds the battery clamped down, 10mm again with extension, and we remove the bolt. Perfect. Trying to pull it out now. Okay guys, this is the bolt right here, and move the battery if you need to a little bit so we can get the mount out of the way as well. After that, you grab it for the handle, you pull it out gently. Okay, now when you're ready to install it guys, make sure you stay with us. I'm going to share something how you connect the terminals, but everything else is in reverse order. We took it apart. So when you're ready to install it guys, once you get it in the vehicle, you're going to connect the positive first and then the negative, in reverse order that we took it apart. You connect positive then negative. This is a very good little battery charger. It's a slow charger, only 2 amp, but it usually brings the batteries to really good charge guys. You can find that one in the description of the video below. Also we have a video how to test the car battery, check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you guys wondering how to remove or replace car battery on Dodge Dart. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.